upon checking, nasa 7K original price niya. 7,000 original price, Bardo ang brand. Original, authentic, isampal mo sa akin pag hindi original. Isampal sa akin pag hindi authentic.
Yours na po si
Bardo!
Violet, Madam
Just
Diana
to-
Tal.
For this one, code natin is branded. My love, nasa 6 to 7,000. Original price neto. Small, medium ang sizing. Small, med ang sizing. Madam Ann, kunin mo to para meron kang plakado. Sobrang ganda pag nakasuot. Pag ganyan yung likod niya, very Marian Rivera. For this one, code natin is branded. Size natin for this one is small, medium. Small, med. Wait lang, i-sure ko lang ha. Oo. Oo, small, medium. Medium po, saktong-sakto. For this one, code natin is branded. Branded for 599 silang 699 good for sale. Akalaan mo. 6 to 7K pero sa akin 599 lang. Bagong-bago, love. Original, authentic. Pwede mong isole pagka hindi original. Sure, my love. Libre shipping pabalik. Diyos ko, ang liit ha. Medium size yun. Go. Mine pink na large avail pa. Yes, Madam Meg. Yours na po si pink. Yours na si pink, Madam Meg. Okay, next. Mine, pretty. Yours na po si pretty, Madam Jane Pakurib. Sino si pretty dyan?
Ay, Madam Jane.
Ayan, oh, pretty yours na Madam Jane. Location is Malolos, Bulacan. Okay, here you go. Love, alam niyo ba kung magkano to sa Thailand? Puhunan pa lang 1-2. Puhunan pa lang yan ha, 1-2. Pero my love, ang brand nito, Who I Am. This one is Australian brand costing 2,500 plus 2,000 to 2,900. Original price. For this one, code expensive. But sa akin, 550 pesos, bagong-bago. For this one, code natin is Swiss. Swiss fabric. Size natin for this one is medium large. Oh my God, swerte mga medco large. Code natin is Swiss. Ay, expensive ba? Sabi ko.
Yes.
Sabi ko ba expensive? Sorry, expensive for 550. Sila 650 good for sale. Code natin is expensive. Expensive ang code. Sobrang ganda nito, my love. Branded by Who I Am. Nandito pa yung ano Ayan, Bebe Love, wash tag nandito. Ayan, love, may wash tag siya. So, original lahat yan.